Right, there's a lot of options for number one. On number one, you do notice that x plus 2 is obviously a factor of all of them, so you could just go ahead and divide that into x plus 2. What I'm looking at is it seems like I might be able to do some factor by grouping, so I'm looking at this, seeing that I can pull out an x squared. I would be left with 3x minus 5. If I pull out a negative 4, I would be left with positive 3x minus 5. So that's happy. And then I have what? 3x minus 5 is out of both of them, and I'm left with this. So this one is only one time. So I have this or this. So my question is this factored like this or this factored like this? And remember the difference of two squares, I can't have all positive and get a negative here. So with this one here would be x plus 2 and x minus 2 as my factors. Again, you could have done division, knowing that this one is one of them, and then kind of getting it from there. All right, so this one is prove that it really is true. So in other words, we want to say, let's multiply this ultimately times this. So I would get 3x cubed minus 5x squared minus 12x plus 20. And sure enough, that's what I have. So you can always check your answers that way. So next we have a subtraction problem, and we do need to make sure that we do all of the signs changing. This is the same, nothing changes on that. So let's see what we have. These two can combine to give me a negative 3. There's nothing that goes with this one. These two would give me just a negative 1. And then those are my leftover stuff here, which, that's not the right answer. 5 plus a 4 is a 9. Okay. Our last one is multiplication, so I'm going to just do the box. It keeps everything nice and orderly. And it doesn't add any extra work, which is kind of nice. Okay, so this would be, what, 4x to the 4th. Let me show you. Negative 2x cubed, negative x squared. We just have to be real careful to not mess up. So I needed to be real careful with all of my signs. Let me just check it. So that's a positive, a negative, a negative, a negative, a positive, a negative, a negative, a positive. Okay. So let's see, I have 4x to the 4th. Those guys are the same. All of those are the same. So it's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. These guys are the same. And that's it. So this one here, lots of mistakes can be made. You see, be real careful and slow as you go about it. Cool.